And let's start the ball game. Ball clear mo. Housekeeping. Martire. Mainit agad ang laban. Yes sir! Easy 2 points. First highlight of the day. Na-video agad. Peñero. Number 23. OJ. Traveling violation. Grabe ang warm-up. Bongkay. Tip the shoes. Yes sir! Crossover. Bongkay. Nagwawala. Martije. Pumasok sa loob. Tumira. Wala pa rin. Ayan na. Number 24. Haven't seen you in a long time, partner. Grabe ba? New player na naman. Unlock. Si Idol. Number 24. Martije. Kumikot. Ranin. May dala ng bola. Ranin. Behind the back pass. Shots no good. Number 7, Martije. Long pass to 9 over 10. Easy 2 points. 24. Sarayno. Peñero tumira. Haro bounds.
May crawlers na ba yan?
White ball pa rin.
Kaya tayo ni Baba?
Baka estimate lang. Estimate lang yun.
11 seconds to shoot. I repeat, 11 seconds to shoot. OJ, pass to Peñero. Peñero crosses over Bongkay. Peñero goes inside. Puts up a shot, no good. Number 14. Nagdadala ng bola. Bongkayaw. Martije. Top shot, no good. Bongkayaw with the rebound. Bongkay tumira. Easy 2 points. Grabe ang bilis tumakbo. Nakababa agad. Ranin. Pass to Westbrook. Westbrook. Pumiki. Use the glass but still no good. Ay, number 10. Pass to Bongkayaw. Bongkayaw nagdadala ng bola. Crosses over. Peñero. Peñero. Kneels to the ground. Bongkayaw. Inside pass. Stolen by Ranin. Ranin with the ball. Ranin in transition to step to Westbrook. Shots too strong. Ranin with a defensive rebound. Tries to be back but still. Too good to the Drew. 29 Saray na nagdadala ng bola. 2-6 ang ating score. Peñero pumeke. Peñero nagtabilin. Pinagpatuloy. Sa ayo, 29. Martihe. Hello, hello, hello. Ayan na. You're back.
Wow, sa wakas!
Kita lobat. Hello, hello. Westbrook. Sarayno. Running. Kick out. Sarayno. 4-2. Shot is good. Peñero with the rebound. Grabe. Maliit man pero leg. Ang tama pero blocked by number 17. Great defense. 14 seconds to shoot. I repeat, 14 seconds. Westbrook, naghanap ng bamasad. Running. Stop. And shot. No good. 23 seconds to the ball. Bongkay. Bongkay with the arms. Oh man. Martihe gets the foul. Delete na yan. Delete na. Di pumasok eh. Delete.
Natakot kayo ba mo? Tama, team sound, team sound.
First personal foul. First team foul.
Bang!
Martihe, first throw. Martihe, second throw. No good. OJ, O block. Westbrook, Limoran crosses over Martihe. Limoran inside. Passes to OJ, O block. Sarayno, pumasok sa loob. Pass to Rani. What a great pass there to Rani. For an easy 2 point. 4-9 ang ating score. Bongkay.
Bongkay!
8 to shoot, Bongkay. Oh! SGE. First personal foul. Second team foul.
Adjust yung ring! Oh, sabi ko!
First shot, bagag.
Sabi galaw ng ring.
Adjust natin yung ring. Up! Bagag. Number 24.
Ano, Jason? Takbo ka lang! Hindi ka magsushot?
Number 24. 12 to shoot. 8 to shoot. Going in. Outside. Up. 9-10 going in. Very good. Rebound by number 17. Easy 2 points.
Umasak ka!
Bongkay! Tablay! Natakot!
Isushoot mo na lang, binalik mo
Cover
kay
team.
Boya.
Mandatory, mandatory. Mandatory substitution po tayo.
Yun na, yun na, yun na, yun na! Yun na! Wala mo United!
Pre,
Pinakamatangkad yan! Goal!
Number 8. Ocho. Binigay kay number 6. And a steal by number 24. Junel. Binigay kay Duterte. Duterte. Going in. Watch the whole rep. Traveling. Bawal dito yan, Duterte.
Chacha kasi.
Up. Number 8. Number 8. Number 8. Going in. Pass. Two. And a steal. Jordan Clarkson. 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 Pinasakay po. Now Junel. Easy 2 points by Junel. Junel. Number 6. Abubakar. Abubakar and a steal by Junel. Junel. Oh! Junel. Bumabali. Jumeli is. Junel. Jumeli. Number 8. Number 8. Traveling violation. Ay, pak.
Mamaya yung third quarter.
Clarkson, binigay kay Junel.
Wow, naka-shot! Shot pala, shot!
Number 8. Number 8. Pinasa.
Ko!
Ano?
Awani naman.
Number 26.
Tapos ka pa naman yun sila. Palito talaga.
Number 26. Umi-spin move. Umi-spin move. Binigay. And a steal.
Ano naman siya?
And a steal by Duterte. Duterte goes home. What a pass. Junel. Going in. Junel. Wala ba rin? And a steal by Duterte. Duterte. Kay Coach Manny Pacquiao. Manny Pacquiao. Foul.
Harangan lang. Naglaro na.
First personal, third team foul.
Wala sige.
Big base!
Wala. Raymond May. And a steal.
Oh, wala ka pa mataan.
Number 6.
Pagal kasi.
Abubakar. Abubakar binigay kay Manny Pacquiao. Manny na foul.
Yun, si Dong.
Number 26.
Ayun.
Aon na rin.
Ano ba nila?
Kagalinte. First personal foul, first team foul. Oh! What's the call, ref? Steeping. Uy, bula. Bula daw, bula. Sabi ni Coach Bongkay. Clarkson, oh! Clarkson going in. What a pass to Duterte. Oh! Junel! Jumeli pa! Jumelis! Grabe si Junel! Grabe ka na, Junel! Half time! Yung pustiso nahulog! Oh! Wala pa rin! Ang laluya! Time out! Joke lang. Yung postiso daw nahulog. Number 6 sa Abubakar binigay kay ng traveling violation. Mausok. Trabaho pre. Kaninong bait yun? Number 26, number 26, number 26, number 26, number 26. Astin mo. Naoy. Papan. Wala mo rin. Number 8, Clarkson. All the way to New York.
May tinaas yung Orion ko!
14 seconds. Manny Pacquiao. Pacquiao going in. And Astin. Up. Sa kanya na to. Junel, bumali-bali na naman. White ball. Last 1 second.
Junel, pag na-shoot ka! Last day mo na today! Bukas may
May
complaint
ganap
ka!
pa lang, tanga.
natin ay nandito ngayon. Para sa'yo. Happy New Year!
Hoy!
Para sa'yo. Wala ba na to?
Dali ka, pagaw. Wala ka sa score.
Tumi, para sa'yo ito.
Wala. Dennis, pre.
Number 16, number 16, number 16 going in. Oy, good yun. Foul and one.
Foul pa. Nice one, nice one.
Taas kamay po pag nag-foul ha.
Ano ba sila?
9-10 with the rebound, 9-10, binigay kay number 16. Ruben binigay kay Bongkay, binigay kay 9-10. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Bongkay! No, Bongkay! Oh!
Pipilit.
Ay! Ay!
Number 14, jump shot. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 16. Number 16. Number 16 with a crossover.
Nice one.
Number... Sino to? Si Westbrook. Binigay. Oh! Pakak. Oh, with a block. Nice D. Number 16 binigay kay Bongkay. The number 1 point guard in my heart. Bongkay with the handles. Bongkay binigay kay number 14. Bongkay B.
Oh!
Oh! And a steal. Number 25. Number 25. Easy 2 points. Ay, number 28 pala. Si Rani. Martille with the ball. Martille. And a steal. Bongkay, bumapang. Kaya ba ito ba? Matabi! Grabe yung Bongkay! Nasa kasalaban!
Ay, ni Dennis.
Kasama yung mukha!
Please, gustuhan mo lang ha.
Martilla with the pick! Easy 2 points! Westbrook, binigay kay number 4 and a steal by 9-10, Martille, kumangga, kumang-pam-pam, wala pa rin,
Ay, gago.
and a steal by number 14, woo! Easy 2 points, may tubig yun.
Kumusta ka?
Huwag kayong titigil sa nipple niya.
Number 28,
Yan, sir. Kapanahon na rin.
number 28 going in, binigay kay number 18, binigay kay number 4 for 3, wala. Rebound by number 23, easy 2 points. Bongkay, binigay kay Ruben going in, binigay kay turnover.
Nabula sila!
Sab daw. Masakit na yung likod ni Bongkay. Number 38. Going in. Pinasa kay number 4 with the floater.
Shoot!
Wala pa rin. Rebound by Bongkay. Bongkay! Oh! Bongkay! Grabe lead. Iba nga Bongkay. Mamaya daw, time out daw sila mamaya.
Napagod.
Sub daw? Sub ha? Bawal pa daw po, bawal pa. Mandatory pa.
Ay, Jessie!
Oh! Number 28. Ay, 25. Wala pa rin. Rebound pa rin. Foul. Time out daw po. Time out. Team Bongkay. First team foul.
Ano? Ipay kasi oil gusto mo? Ipay kasi oil daw. Ipay kasi oil.
And we're back to the ball game. Number 16, Ruben binigay kay 9-10 jump shot, shoot. Rebound by number 16. Number 16 binigay kay number 28, the ace player. Number 16 with a fake pass, easy 2 points. Martie with a spin move. Woo! May kinikilig, Martie. Number 21. Number 4 for 3. Bang! 3 points. Martie. Binigay kay number 14. Foul. Who's foul rep? Number 4. Second personal foul, second team foul. 9-10. 8 to shoot. Easy 2 points. Number 28. Running binigay. Anong pelito lang? Mandatory substitution po. Ligaw man. Magpapasigaw ako.
Doon! Ayan si Benji, tama yan.
Ayan na! Montanilla. The number 1 point guard in my heart. Kung wala sa'yo, kuya. Oo, kuya, sub ka. Ayan na! Kundi dahil sa'yo, kuya, wala kaming tubig. Kung wala ka, wala kaming mainom na tubig. Konde? And a steal! Oh! Ayan na! Fontanilla of Cruz. Binigay kay number 10 to shoot. Puts up a 3. Bang! Idol ko yan, pare. Oh!
Ano nangyari?
Kabado na!
Number 24, binigay kay Cruz. Oh! And please. All mga opya. Obya ka eh. First shot is no good. Parang finals to. Duterte binigay kay Classic. Classic puta ba 3?
Wala!
Bye-bye. Duterte alas 3.
Bilis!
Time out daw po. Time out daw, dead ball. Duterte! Duterte going in! Black Barbier! Number 14! Duterte again.
Nakagulo na!
Duterte setting the game. Duterte! Binigay kay Cruz. Ay! Flexon! Wala pa rin! Dito by Cruz!
Nice one. Oy!
Kuya, magsinot mo yan last time.
Palestino! Wala pa rin! Ayun na. Off! 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 Number 24 jump shot!
Bravo! Shoot!
Time out daw po. Time out daw po. Time out. Blue team.
Kabado na!
Omi, nakakonect ka? Boss.
Basahin ni score. 2023.
Habibi? Bibi Habibi?
2023.
Ano ba pangalan? Habibi ka ng Habibi eh. Si Bibi. 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 Naka-pair ba? Up, number 26.
Kuya!
Up, number 17. Wala pa rin. Ribabay. May ads pa. Number 99, number 99, the number 1. The number 1 player by heart. Foul by Duterte. First personal foul, 13.
Uy, yan na.
Ano, kaya pa ba?
Up, Clarkson. Pinasa kay. Oh! Gunel! Paul! First personal foul, 13 foul. Traveling violation. Number 29. Pinasa. Up and a steal. Number 26. Foul by number 33. First personal foul, warning for penalty. GGG. Up. Clarkson with a floater. No good. Ribabay. Number 29 sa kanya na to. Oh, what a pass. Pero sa block ito. Number 9, 14. Close and a block. What a block. Number 14 going in niya sa pinasa kay number 43. Oh, what a pass! Easy 2 points. What a pass by Junel. Javier, the number 1 point guard in my heart. Javier puts up a 3. Javier! Last 8 seconds. Clarkson. Pinasa. 2 seconds. And it's the end. Second quarter. pwede na pumasok. Pati yung audience. Pasok na rin kayo. Martie with the crossover. Martie. Bumangga with a speed move, with a gap shot. Wala pa rin. Di ba? Duterte na steal. Pinas, ayun, gulit siya. Number 6. Easy to break. Martie puts up a 3. Wala. Rebound by 19. Number 1 with the rebound. And a steal by number 14. Number 14, easy 2 points. Wala pa rin pala. Duterte with the foul. Judel with the foul. Ay, hindi.
Kabado lang yan, sir. Kabado.
Jump shot. Wala pa rin.
Bata. Nice one. Tira.
Traveling violation.
Sige, ayun, Joe.
Duterte. Pinasa. Martie binigay. Sino to? Bongkay. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 14. Easy 2 points. With a crossover.
Tira.
Number 10. Easy 2 points.
Umulutang, no?
Westbrook pala. Si Westbrook pala yun. Number 14, binigay kay 9-10. Speed move 9-10. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Westbrook. Binigay kay number 4. Binigay kay and a steal by Martie. Martie, pinasa. Woo! Ang ganda. Westbrook. Binigay kay Santos. 10 to shoot. And a steal by Martie. Same ball po tayo. Defense. 14 to shoot. Santos puts up a 3. Wala. Rebound by Duterte. Duterte. What a pass to Martie, but masyadong malakas.
Si Martin.
Number 6, Abubakar binigay kay number 4 Santos, what a pass. Easy 2 points. Judel din. Bongkay, oh! Number 14, easy 2 points. Number 6, Abubakar. 10 to shoot. Traveling violation. Ang baho. May basura par. Martie. Binigay kay 9-10. Easy 2 points. Time out daw po. Dead ball. Number 4, Santos. Binigay kay Judel. Binigay ka off. Santos again. Wala pa rin. Duterte, binigay kay number 14. Ang ganda. Woo! Number 14. Woo! 9-10. Oy! Kuya Ruben, oh, grabe tawag. Ikaw talaga? Grabe, daming fans. Diamond fans, Clarkson.
Wala na!
And a rebound by 19 binigay kay Clarkson. Jordan Clarkson going in. Jordan Clarkson passing it down. Goodell and a steal. By number 28. Number 28, the pass to Cruz. Cruz with an easy layup. No good. Rebound by. Lobat. Up. Hello. Sound check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And a steal. Running with the ball. Running with the side step. Running with an easy layup. Some double. Hello.
Check, okay na. Score po natin ay 36-34 in favor of PMO Housekeeping. Balik na.
Gina! Running with the ball. Running. And a steal back. No.
Grabe na to.
Nadali ni Tina. Kaya maganda yung kay ni Tina.
Okay. Up. Number one. Number one binigay kay Santos. Santos binigay. Up. Number 0 Westbrook. Wala pa rin. Pero may number 16, number 16, number 16, number 16, number 16. Jump ball. Ha? Omsin. Simple. Martiet, nagtanggal na ng t-shirt. Martiet po sa patri. Not counted, rep. Not counted. Substitution. Bukayin! Robin. Ano? Third personal foul, second team foul. Javier wala pa rin. 9-10 foul. Who's foul rep? Warning for graduation, number 4. First team foul. Martie po sa patri, wala. Number 1. Up. Number 23. Pusa pa 2. Wala ka rin. Who's ball rep? Same ball po tayo. Substitution po tayo. Sub daw po. Sub. Ang magana to. Westbrook. Westbrook, no good. Rebound by Westbrook again. 9-10. 9-10. Mainit pa lang laban. Martie going in. Martie pumangga with a fake foul. Substitution. Alternate po pala ang score. Napaka-intense ng laro. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Martie with a jump shot. Wala. Rebound by who's ball rep? Zero. First personal foul, third team foul. Javier Pinasa. Up. Number 23. Wala na rin. Who's foul rep? Graduate na po ang number 4.
Graduate ka na. Alakay mo.
Good.
Hello. Foul. Who's foul rep?
You know how it goes when they can't get a reservation up in Carbone. They gonna tell you it's a chill.
38-41. Time out. Take time out. Last 6 minutes and 27 seconds.
38-41. And we're back into the ball game. Last 6 minutes and 27 seconds for our fourth quarter. (38-41) in favor of the security. First shot, no good. Second shot. Oh, good. Rebound by Westbrook. And a foul by Martinez. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Penalty, housekeeping. Sarayno goes inside, attacks the basket, and gets it to go. Sarayno with an easy 2 points. Bonka with the ball, trying to set up a play, going for his teammates. Bounce pass to Martira. Martira puts up a 3, no good. Number 18, long pass to Rani, stolen by Martira. Almost got it out of bounds.
Pagkain tayo bukas yan.
Inbound play, 18, going for his teammates. Long pass to Rani. Rani to 18. What a pass! An alley-oop. Still won't connect. Clarkson going for his teammates. Tolentino nagdadala ng bola. Tolentino bringing down the ball to Clarkson inside. Clarkson spins. Shot and foul. Who's foul, rep? Number 20. 18 pala. 18, second personal foul. Penalty. Lorica. Clarkson. First shot, no good. Clarkson, the second free throw. Shot is good. Clarkson making a difference. A 2-point lead.
Diretso! Maluwag ba? Maluwag!
Westbrook with the ball. Inside, side step, pass to Sarayno. Sarayno got the ball. Kick out. OJ for 2. Clarkson with the rebound. Pass to Bonkay. Bonkay bringing down the ball, being harassed by Sarayno. Sarayno almost got the steal. Martije inside, pass to Clarkson. Clarkson to Tolentino to Martije in the middle. 3-second violation. 40-42. Quick pass. Sarayno inside step shot using the glass, but still no good. Tolentino with the rebound. Long pass to Martije. 1v1 situation. Martije, what can he do? Martije fakes. Shot is good. 40-44. Running, bringing down the ball. Setting up the play. Last 4 minutes. Running. Tries to go for the screen. And it's fouled by Bonkay. Bonkay. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Running. Long pass to Sarayno. Left wide open. Shot. No good. Rebound by OJ. Sarayno. Pass to Westbrook. What's the call? Penalty. Number 8. Third personal foul. Penalty. Penalty po tayo. Westbrook on the free throw. First shot, no good. Second shot. Second shot, won't go. Sa situation, mainit-init ang laban. Paris din yun, no? After, no? Diretso Paris na yan. Ball. Bongkai. Last 4 minutes. Bongkai. Bongkai. Crossover. Bongkai. Giving the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. Bongkayao. For 2. No good. And it's a foul by Bongkayao. Penalty. Hapok na si Aida. Both teams penalty. Leg na ang tama ni Bongkay. Westbrook on the free throw line. First shot, won't good. Won't go. Anong oras daw? Oras daw. Pwede bukas na? Bukas na daw yung timeout. Westbrook, second shot. Outside. Long pass, running with the steal. Running. Pass to Westbrook. Shot too strong. Martije with the rebound. Martije looking for his teammates. Finds 9/10. What did he do? Judel, block. 9/10. Spins. Shot. No good. Rebound by. Who's ball it? White ball. Mainit ang laban. 40-44. Running. OJ. Sarayno. Inside to Westbrook. Westbrook fakes. Tries to out. Big Westbrook. Grabe yun. Ang lalim. 42-44. Dalawa na lamang ang kalamangan. Martije. Hop skip. Martije. Spin. And it's an offensive foul by Martije. Third personal foul.
Ayusin.
Offensive foul lang. No penalty. Pag magta-timeout po, lumapit sa committee. Sarayno. Pass to Running. Running tries to go inside, attacking the basket. Pass to Adeline. Violations by Westbrook. No count. Number 16. Pass to Bongkayao. Bongkayao. Ruben. 15 seconds to shoot. Ruben looking for his teammates. Finds Judel inside. Shot comes up short. Westbrook. Pass to OJ. OJ lost the ball. Martije goes for the layup. Easy 2 points. Last 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Sarayno. Long pass. Almost got Limoran. Shot too strong. Judel. Bongkayao. Oh! Slide step. 9-10. Martije. Pass to Judel. Comes up short again. Sarayno nagdadala ng bola. Sarayno. Pass to Limoran. Tuloy ng cross. All 44-46. Dalawa na lamang ang kalamangan. Time out.
Hinahagit ang layo. Unas ng kamay. Kapel.
This time, mainit ang laban.
Panablo pala.
Mainit din ang hangin. Last 1 minute and 45 seconds. Sino? Who? Martije. Bongkayaw. Martije, 5 seconds to shoot. 2, 1, shot! Good! 3 points! 49! Huwag ka mag-alala, nasa live yan. Sarayno. OJ. Sarayno. 40. Bumawi. Wala pa rin. Rebound by OJ. Lost the ball. Martije trying to seal the deal. 1 minute and 20 seconds left. Martije. Is he gonna go hero ball? Martije. Lorica. Clarkson. 4-3. No good. Rebound by number 18. Number 18. Nagdadala ng bola. Number 18. Nawala ang bola. Martije with the ball. Last 1 minute. 44-49. Martije. Crossover. 54 seconds. Crossover again. Martije. 10 seconds to shoot. Lost the ball. Sarayno with a steal and a foul. Who's foul rep? Number 2, personal foul, warning for graduate. Penalty na po tayo, penalty.
Ito na siya yung dalawa. Itong kabilang patang.
Sarayno on the free throw line. First shot, won't go. Second shot. Oh, good. Poland. Number 17 with the rebound. And number 10. Pass to Lorica. Backward violation. Timeout. Housekeeping.
Nawala sa isip. Hindi na tumawin.
49-44. Hey, we're back to the ball game. Running. Javier goes for the 3. It's the foul. Now he's going into the free throw line. Oh. Walang ID to. Walang ID. Walang ID. Oh, hindi ako yun. Javier. This is the one. Second throw. Second shot is good. Third shot. No good. Rebound by Lorica. And gets the foul. Last 30 seconds. Lorica. First shot is good. Pangalawa, tingnan natin kung sapat ang tulog. Pag pumasok rest day, yes sir! Rest day bukas. Sarayno, 4-3. No good, Lorica. What a rebound. Great hustle from this guy. 45-51, anim ang kalamangan, 23 seconds left. Red doors na agad. Patay, rerentahan na yata ang ABR. Diretso na. Wala. First shot no good. Second shot, pag pumasok, kahit walang med-cert, pwede. Pwede mag-sick leave kahit walang med-cert. Second shot, on go! 18, oh, with the nutmeg. Pass to Ranin. Puts up a 3. Gets it to go. 48-51. Tatlo na lamang ang kalabangan. Oh, lost the ball. 48-51. Tatlo ang kalabangan. 16 seconds left. No shot clock na po tayo. Number 18. Looking for someone to pass. Sadayo gets the foul. And penalty na po tayo. Penalty.
Kailangan pa. Big, panalo pa yan.
Sarayno into the free throw. First shot won't go.
Ito lang pre,
Second shot will go. Counted. 14 seconds to go. Foul by Javier. Penalty. Penalty na no? Penalty. Penalty. Both sides. Javier, second personal foul. Both teams na po, walang timeout. Sino kaya ang uuwing papunta sa Pares? First free throw won't go. 48-51. 49-51. Dalawa na lamang ang kalamangan. Sanggayan. It's up to you. Seal the deal. Number 18. 12 seconds left. Lumin pa siya magpapas. Sarayno. Sarayno. Nagdadala ng bola. Sarayno. And gets the ball. Last 6 seconds. Sarayno. Penalty going to the free throw line to make the shot. Number 2, graduate! Yes, sir. 49-51. 6 seconds left. 2 shots. Are we going to overtime? 2 shots. First throw. Now we only need one. One to make it a tie game. Only one. It's a tie game. It's gonna be a tie game. Only one. Pressure's on you. Sarayno. It's gonna be stone goal. Has the rebound and gets the foul. Number 13. Number 1? 18. Third personal penalty. Lorica. Ito na. Seal the deal. First shot. Oh, go. Up! Bang! 52-50! 52-50! Long pass! Running! Fire! And that is it! Seal the deal! 52-50!
dapat hindi niya na pinasa.